Hi everybody, this video is to let you know exactly what you will have to do in this learning activity number 1. So please take a look at the following steps you will have to follow in order to develop this activity. In first place, remember you will have to cover the topics and activities planned for weeks 1 and 2 on the Future Learn. Please be sure you have already covered every single item and activity in this platform. You will have to cover up to activity 2.16 in unit 2, right? So this is going to be your input in order to develop successfully this activity. Once you have covered these topics and activities in Future Learn, you will go to Edmodo. Here we have different folders. The first thing we will have to do is to open the folder Contenidos del Curso, and then you will find a folder called Actividad Integradora 1. You click on it, and here you will find two important documents. The first document is called Learning Activity 1, and the second one is a template for the lesson plan. So you're going to click on Learning Activity, and then you will find the description of the activity you will have to submit for this first task. Here we have an introduction of the course, the objectives for these activities, the learning activity, what is a learning activity, and then you will have a presentation of the first learning activity. Please take a look at this because this is the context in which you will focus for designing this lesson plan. So, read this description of the context and then take into account this information to create your lesson plan. Here we have something important that you will have to take into account. Desde la página 42 del documento de malla curricular bachillerato, que se encuentra en la carpeta currículo sugerido de inglés dentro de Edmodo, encontramos los contenidos del módulo 1. These contents for module 1 are the ones that are going to be useful for you to develop this activity. So here in Edmodo, we will return to carpetas content, and then we will look for currículo sugerido. We click on it, and here we find two important documents, Derechos Básicos de Aprendizaje Bachillerato and Malla Curricular Bachillerato. Please take a look or click on Malla Curricular Bachillerato. Once you click there, you will find this document. Please open page 42 and 43, and these pages you will find information for the first module for 6th grade. So you take a look at it, you read it carefully, standards, indicators, and contents for this module 1. That's what you have to take into account for developing this first lesson plan. Let's go back to the explanation of the activity, and then it is showing where to find these documents. Here we have the justification and the sequence you will have to follow to do this activity. So please do all the activities that are assigned in units 1 and 2 in Future Learn course, then go to the folder Currículo Sugerido de Inglés in the document Malla Curricular Bachillerato, and focus on the parts related to didactic sequence, methodology, and curriculum. About design grade 6th, and also take a look at the examples of lesson plan corresponding to that grade. Go to the folder Currículo Sugerido de Inglés, the document Derechos Básicos del Estudiante, to know the abilities that a student of that grade needs to master, and select the outline for the class. So we're going to go to this document in order to see and to check what you have to take into account. Let's go back to this folder in Edmodo, and here you have Derechos Básicos de Aprendizaje Bachillerato. We click on it, and then we will find this Derechos Básicos de Aprendizaje for 6th grade. They are in pages 14, 15, and 15, I think. Yes, 14 and 15. That's what a student in 6th grade should be able to has to be able to know. That is the content a student in 6th grade, needs to know for this grade, right? So remember pages 14 and 15. So once you have read these two documents, this information based on 6th grade, you're going to fill out the lesson plan format that is located in the folder resources of the learning activity 1 or actividad integradora 1, and continue filling the spaces. So we're going to get back to this folder actividad integradora in contenidos del curso, actividad integradora 1, and this is our lesson plan template. This is the activity you will have to fill in, and this is the activity you will upload in the corresponding folder, in the assigned folder. So we're going to open it. And here you will find the document to fill in. So you can download it and edit it. So I will open it.